And we added a few comments on some of the words of 42, like in the first line of this verse 42, iti viklavitam, viklavatam. Viklavatam means despondent, viklavatam means humble, means different meanings. They spoke in a very humble way. And this is, I mentioned before also, and Jiva Goswami says their words were full of distress and helplessness. That means when your words are full of distress and helplessness, that means absolute surrender. And I was noting that actually all true devotees, if they become very serious and deep about their bhakti bhajan, they will enter this realm. And in the Bible, in the Christianity, this term is called the dark night of the soul. I don't know if you ever heard that. You can go on Google and find out. Dark night of the soul. So this is the hopelessness or helplessness that all go through. So God is there, is in front of everyone. God is in front of everyone. Krishna is in front of everyone. Krishna is inside of everyone. As a sakshi, as the witness, as a parikshit, the sakshi and the parikshit, as the witness and examiner of everyone. Krishna is standing before us.